Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Threads profile private. So let's get started right away. Let me first of all tell you that when you create your Threads profile at the very beginning, you will be asked whether you want to create a public profile or make your profile private. If you chose a public profile back then, well, you can still change it back to private. Just go ahead and open up the Threads application first, and then tap on your account icon at the bottom right corner. Now from this page, you can tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and this will open up the settings page. Now from the settings page, just tap on privacy. This will then open up the privacy page. From here, you can simply toggle on the private profile button, and you will be asked whether you want to switch to a private account. Tap on the OK button and your account will be made private. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile into a private one on Threads. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.